Hello friends, welcome to my channel SKR series. In this session, we will see the new campus requirements, that is Accenture campus requirements. That campus is for BSC and BCA students of any branches. That campus, who can apply, which year student can apply. So 2019, 20 and 21, these 3 years student pass out can apply for this campus. So we will see how to register for this campus step by step. When you click on that link, I will give you that link in description. You can see the interface after clicking that link or going that link. So you can see what will be the interface. You can see and what document are required. You have to keep ready before registration. You have to click on captcha and click on next. That steps are we will see in. So let's start. First is you have to enter your where you from get information, social media, then first name, middle name, last name. After that you have to enter your university number, that is your unique number I have shown on screen, then mail ID. After that you have to enter your mail ID very carefully because they will contact you through your mail. Then you have to enter your mobile number, alternate mobile number, and your date of birth. You have to select your date of birth is also same like as your government ID proof, which will be uploaded in next step. You have to enter your gender, select gender, then select your educational type, higher educational type, full-time education. Then educational detail, in that you have to select under graduation, and next you have to select your degree, what is BSc or BCA. Then you have to choose your college name if your college name have in list. Otherwise you have to simply select other, or you can type other, then you can see other option and select that other option and enter your college name in next line. After entering college name, you have to choose your branch, whatever you have. I have computer science, so I can select computer science. Then next, what is your passing year? You can choose that 2019, 20 or 21. Then percentage, you have to enter it. Who have in 2021 pass out, they can enter their percentage up to second year. Then after entering percentage, you have to enter select have any experience, work experience or no. Then if you are 2021 pass out, then definitely you don't have any experience, so you have to select no. Then next is you have to select, choose, do you have any disability. If you have any, then you can select yes. If you have not, you can select no. That process is very important. Then you have to select your location. I have select my location. Then they will ask you, have you worked before Accenture. You have to choose your option. Then standing backlog, if you have any backlog, you can select yes. If you have not, you can select no. Then have you applied in Accenture before that, you can select yes, no. Then country, then here is your primary skill, what is your primary skill and what you have done in that skill, you have to choose. After that, that is very important, step you have to enter your upload your resume, and next is your photograph. Next you have to select you have pan card or not. I have select no. Then see whatever the option, passport, voter ID, like that. So I select yes, I enter pan number and choose my pan card photo. Then we will see what happened next. You have to click on agree review button. Then next we will see this primary data privacy. You have to click on yes, agree. If you want to see what happens when we click on no, then you can click on no also and see what warning will be show on the screen. I will show you what happens. You can see like that warning will be see on screen. You have to click on yes only and I agree only. Then click on I am not robot and click on submit. Here is a warning. You can see carefully this warning. Your passport size photo is either unclear or is missing face or has too many faces. Please upload a clear photo with only one face in this photo. My photo is very clear, but it is showing that error. So we will change it and resubmit it again. I have changed my photo and resubmit it. Now we see what is the warning. Here also one warning, your passport size photo is not matching to your government ID proof. My photo is matching but it is showing an error, so I change my passport government ID as passport, and I upload my passport and submit again. So now it will accept. Yes, it will accept my form. Then it will show one button, confirm and submit. You have to click on that button and confirm. You have filled all information is correct. Finally your registration is successfully done here. If you not subscribe to my channel, subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you. See you in next video.